Hey y'all, it's Andrea. Super pumped. I got a new Deadbolt Mystery Society box. This one's theme is the Pretender. This was sent to me for review to show you guys. I just opened one a few days ago, I don't know, sometime this week. The East Haven, I think it was the theme. I'm still working on it. I love it. This is like Clue for grown-ups. You have to figure out the mystery by the clues provided. It's got puzzles in there, a lot of analytical thinking. You have to take all your clues and figure it out. It's awesome. I'm having a blast with it. It's interactive, like you get your cell phone and there's some stuff with QR codes and you have to scan it. You do it with your camera on your smartphone and it brings up something. Enter your password. But to have that password, you'd figure out a puzzle from another one. It's awesome. What's this one called? The Pretender. Start here. It tells you all about how to do it. Read all your clues, do all your puzzles. Tells you about how the interactive thing works and the passwords. There also is a hint page that you can go to if you get stumped. I'll probably have to use it eventually. I haven't yet. I'm probably about 95% sure I'm going to end up having to get some hints because it's not easy. Okay. And then at the end, of course I haven't done the end yet when you enter who you think done it and all that stuff. You go on to they give you the link to go on and fill in the info. First, you've got the beginning brief that tells you about the case that you've decided to take on. You're like a PI, private investigator. Below is a copy of the text that was received. This tells you about the case, beginning to get your clues. Another thing that you can read off to get some information from the desk of Bradley Raymond. I can already see some puzzles here. The Fourth Key by Bradley Raymond. Looks like this is a book, a story of some kind, written by, I don't know if this is our victim yet. I don't know who this is yet. Let's see. Bradley Raymond, horror author extraordinaire, decided to award 6 lucky fans a chance to spend the weekend with him. And you got to find out the killer. Okay. Play Me. There's a VHS tape. This one that scans the QR code to be able to watch the video. Aerial photograph of a lodge taken by a drone to be used in crime scene game. All this stuff is like clues. Raymond Internet Inaugural Sleepaway Campout winners. Questionnaire answers from contest. The Machinery of Infinity. Like all this stuff right now is like random and you're like going, what? But as you read through everything and get it, everything starts clicking into place. And you start understanding and working it out. There's an excerpt from a one ad of a newspaper. There's a letter to Mr. Bradley from the Pretender. There's another puzzle with a QR code to solve. Here's another puzzle. You have to do the word search and then figure out the clues down here for stuff. The questions are classified, but choosing the best answer may be helpful. It says there can be symbols on some of the stuff too, and if you find like the secret symbol, you can tell that the clues go together. Another letter from the Pretender to Bradley. We have a floppy disk with a QR code in it. You have to probably figure out the password on this as well to read the file. Panic room access panel with a QR code. Rules for the grid game, ask connected home. Another QR clue. They put so much thought. This is really well planned and thought out and set up. I have no idea what this is yet. I'll have to figure it out. Another letter, 2 more letters from Bradley. To Bradley from the Pretender. Looks like a little spy camera. Are these a Okay, there's some cards with probably the suspects. Each one with a write-up with their statement and stuff about them on there. Yeah, it's like you're interviewing the suspects and it's got their statements on the back. Looks like Robert De Niro a little bit. Got a cutie. And then this says, ready to solve all the puzzles and ready to solve the box. Unlock equals the first name of the person the Pretender is impersonating and the word used to describe the Pretender. Who is it? They come with collector's cards. I wasn't for sure about what the one I just opened was, but yeah, each themed box comes with a collector card that you can collect as you do them. I can't wait. First I gotta do that one I'm working on, get it, see how I do with that. This is so fun though, guys. I really do recommend it, and I've completely gone blank on how much this is. I'll link down below where you can sign up. I think it's $29. I kind of hate to even say and give y'all the wrong information. Let me grab my book. Oh, it should have been, yeah, $29.99. I definitely recommend it. It's super fun if you like to do puzzles and figure things out and do clues. And don't forget, guys, I do have 2 active giveaways going on. I'll link them down below as well. If y'all want to check them out and sign up, you must be a subscriber. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you like to watch them. See you at the next one.